how to add voice in Pictory.ai. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set spoken descriptions for visual content on Pictory.ai. First of all, open the Pictory.ai in the web browser. After getting into Pictory, click on Proceed from Script to Video block. Then, in the script editor, tap to paste from clipboard. Once you paste the script in here, click on Proceed. Now choose the template from here. Once you choose the template, click on Audio from the left dashboard. From Audio, go into VoiceOver. You can choose the speed from here. Select the speed of your VoiceOver, tap to apply it. Then click to play the video in this audio. After that, click on Settings icon from the template. Make sure you turn on the VoiceOver option from here. Then tap to play the video on this voice. You can choose different videos and listen to the audio on it. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.